Alright, so now you have your backdrop, you have your sprite, now you're ready to code it. So up in the left corner we click code. Then we're going to go with this one. It says when spacebar key is pressed, and then what we're going to use is in the motions, because we want it to move, and we're going to move it. And for now we'll just put 2, because that's how many spaces that we're going to have our sprite move. So if I push the space bar now, you can see little movements up here as it's just moving. It's super choppy, not game-like or anything. So that's kind of an issue. I'm going to move him over there for right now. So we're going to add some more. So I come back to my events, and the next thing we're going to add is the ability to turn left and right. So now I go into motions, and we'll let it turn right by 15 degrees. And if we're going to turn it right, we're going to want to go with the right arrow. So we'll match up. And then we're going to do the same thing. Same one. I'm going to bring this down. It says when space, and we're going to change that to, you guessed it, left arrow. And we're going to go back to motions, and you guessed it again. We're going to turn 15 degrees when we click that. So now, if I'm clicking the space bar, I can turn using the arrow keys. Now this still does not look like a real video game, right? Like we still need some fluidity to be added to this. So one of the cool things we can do, we're going to learn what a loop is. A loop just has something going forever and ever and ever and ever. This one's called the forever loop. So I'm going to pull the move 2 out, and I'm going to reconnect this. So now if I press the space bar, it's really going to start the car and keep the car running. So now watch what happens. I click it once, and my car's running. And I can do right and left, and I now have, it's starting to look more like a video game. Okay, and you get the idea, right? So I'm going to then stop it, and I'm going to give you a little bit of a hint as you move into the next phase, which is the car's not supposed to go into the green area. And I'm not going to teach this one, but I'll give you a clue. This sensing area is where you want to hit, where it has to do with touching colors, and that's as much as I'm going to say, because part of this is discovery. So I wish you good luck. You can code your car and then start working on keeping the car out of the grass. Good luck.